Uy, di sa Java box nga. Ay, pattern na.
Okay.
Kanina ganun lang. Ngayon, box na. Nag-iba yung pattern.
Ayan.
Ano yung next question?
Are you dating again? At sino ang lucky girl?
Dating again? No, I'm not dating again. So, walang
lucky girl.
Walang lucky girl.
By
Hindi pa ako lucky. Hindi naman yung girl yung lucky.
Pero tingin mo, ready ka na ba to date again?
I don't know. My focus right now is work. Siguro, hindi rin ako naghahanap pa masyado ngayon. Or you feel na you want to go out again and, date. Kasi dating, I could go out with friends and girls na friends ko, but I wouldn't consider it dating. But it's just going out with them. Pero dating, wala pa talaga.
Bakit parang inisip mo kapag once you start dating, ibig sabihin kailangan yung commitment, andun na, ganun ba yun?
Hindi naman, kasi wala rin time. Wala rin ako mabigay na time kasi I'm doing Inamorata, and then aside from that, I'm preparing for a certain event na for parang circuit training event. So that's where I put my time in. So dating wala pa talaga.
Okay. Next, tignan natin.
Paka-honest ko, no?
Oo nga.
hindi ako sumasagot ng showbiz. May dating.
Wala siyang dinedate.
Wala.
Malalaman natin. Okay, next.
Layo naman yan. Lapit naman.
Ang lapit ng galing-galing niyo mag-basketball eh.
Pero hindi naman gumagalaw yung ganyan yung ring sa galaw.
Steady lang.
Ayan. For our next question. Nabanggit kasi ni Genevieve sa isang interview, meron siyang mga bagong manliligaw ngayon.
Happy
And
for her.
ikaw, parang nabanggit mo din sa isang interview noon na crush mo si Genevieve. So, ikaw ba ang isa sa mga suitors ngayon ni Genevieve? Makakonect?
Oo nga eh. Actually, na medyo, ano nga yun, kasi, paano ko ba put into words? Medyo, nakakagulat din yung kasi maraming supporters na dyan, I think, with my Instagram and my Twitter, parang they're very supportive of that. Pero, nabanggit lang kasi dati na, sinong crush ko, ganun. Sinabi ko naman si Jen, pero of course, maybe they saw something that they like in me for her. Pero, ayun, nandun pa lang naman sa like. Wala pa namang,
So, parang wala pa yung you've never talked to her about
yeah,
your
and,
intentions?
medyo, I don't know how to put this, pero hindi kasi ako marunong mangligaw talaga. I mean, it's not that hindi marunong. Kaya ko manligaw, pero I just don't believe in the process.
Parang more on friendship.
Yeah, more of you get to know each other, and then you bond, and then you see if you like each other, and then you go from there. Kasi rather than putting your best foot forward, and then eventually parang, di ba? Hirap kasi ng ganun eh. Parang parati ka nagpapa-impress kaysa yung you just be yourself. So, ayun.
So, you haven't asked her out yet? Or have you gone out together?
No, I haven't. No. We haven't gone out together.
Okay. Ulit tayo. Shoot that ball. Okay.
Yung mga balls natin, nandun na isa na lang ha. Ito yung madayang bola eh. Mas malaki ata. Oo nga eh. Naiwasan mo ha. Mamaya slam dunk na gagawin ko.
Okay, Josie. Ano ang next question natin?
How do you deal with heartbreak?
Oh, man. Siguro, with experience and age. With experience and marami ng heartache eh. No?
Napagdaanan.
Oo nga. Hindi, I think, you surround yourself with yung mga taong mapagkakatiwalaan mo, taong mga, yung pagkausap mo masaya. I think yun. Tsaka, spend time talaga with family. Kasi, they're the ones na kilala ka talaga inside and out. Kasi, yun. I think, with the help of my my brothers kasi are all abroad na eh. So, dati sila yung nakakausap ko, lalo na yung panganay kong brother. Pero ngayon, it's my mom, well, hindi naman namin pinag-usapan talaga yung personal stuff. But then just to spend time with them, talking to them, malaking bagay na.
Pero now, nabanggit mo na you're older and wiser. Pero when you were younger...
I'm not wiser though.
When you were younger, ganun, paano ba yung usually, way mo para maka-get over sa isang... ang lalaki ba, nagiging emotional din?
Oo naman. Hindi naman kami manhid.
May mga ganun ba?
Parang di ba kayong girls na nag-emo?
Hindi, ako nga,
Mas madali
before.
ba kapag gano'n?
Before,
Ngayon
ganun
or
ka.
dati?
Get over. Feeling ko ngayon kasi if you're more focused dun sa future mo tsaka sa work, mas madali eh. May mga distractions of course. May times na you miss the person or you look for yung company na may kasama. Pero ngayon, mas focus ka na talaga sa work. So, less na yung emotional side.
Doon mo na lang binubuhos.
Sa work.
Alam mo na.
Pero dati may rin. Siyempre, you go out with friends, you have a drink or kasi mas malalabas mo daw pag may alcohol. Ewan ko kung totoo. Hira ako minom eh.
Healthy.